Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we'll be going over the BuddyPress Member Blog Plugin. I'll be guiding you through the installation and customization of the plugin. So if you're creating an engaging and vibrant community that involves giving your users a voice by letting them publish their own blog post, this plugin makes this possible by allowing community members to create and manage their own blog content right from their BuddyPress profile. So whether you're running a niche social network or an educational platform, this plugin will empower users to share their thoughts, stories, and knowledge without accessing the WordPress backend. So let me show you how you can use this plugin. Here I've created a temporary site using TasteWP. I will access the site by clicking on the link. So as you can see here, this is my site. So I've already installed a theme beforehand and some plugins. Let me show you which plugins we'll be using. So I have the BuddyPress plugin here, and then I have this member blog post plugin. So let me deactivate this first and show you how the site will look without this. So refresh. So there's no noticeable difference here, but let me go to the account and you will notice we have these many blogs here. We can see, but there's no blog post where you can manage all our blog content from one place. So let me switch this plugin on, activate. We'll be taking to this page. Here we have the option to read the documentation or access the support. Now go to Journal tab. Under this tab you get many settings. So the first setting gives us the shortcode that we can use. So this is a shortcode. You can simply copy paste it to your code. So the next setting is restrict the ability by user role. So only certain user role can create blog post. So here I have all the user roles selected so that everyone can contribute to the community. Now next is I can set the default status of a blog post. So if a blog is getting published, this particular status of the blog will be shown. So I can switch this on also. So if a member publish a blog post, it will be as published. Then the next setting is, so here now we can allow which members can create categories. So this will help us to provide an overview how our community and which topic the community is writing blog post on. So we can allow every member can create a blog category or only admin can create. So I've kept this off right now. Then for media management, so like if a person deletes a blog post, the featured image used in that blog will be also deleted or kept in the library. So right now I have no categories under exclude categories. So exclude categories help us specify which categories the member can't write blogs on. So right now it's empty. I will save change. Now I will go to my site, refresh. So now here you will see we have a new blog category. I will go to that. Under this we have multiple headings. So under this we have published, then we have one pending and draft post and new post. Under published, all our published blog posts will be shown. So right now I have no published blog post. Then we have pending. So if the status of the blog post is on pending, it will be shown here until approved by the admin or some administrative role person. This will be on pending. Then I have draft post. So here I have one draft post. So under this we have one blog that's not yet published. So I can choose to edit this, publish or delete the blog post. Now I can create a new blog post by clicking on new post. So let's write the title. Okay, so to then categories, I can choose which categories I have. So let me say cute. So we can also create new categories, but right now the category option to create is off by the admin. So I can add tags also. Let me use block tag. Then I can add an image. So let's say this image. Okay, a blog post is published. We can see here that's a title. This is the author, the date published, the category it falls under, the featured image, the content, the tags. Okay, now I will edit some settings. So like you can see here, now I will switch this setting on so I can draw a new category. Okay, sorry, emotion 2.0, new post, delete, select category. Okay, I didn't refresh this. Actually, I didn't save set changes, so do that first, then refresh. Now let me add a new blog post, test, fail, pass. Now I can, okay, there's no category, then I can create a new category by using this button. So add the name of that category, new, add, then the category, this is here. Now I will add tags. So let me use blog, or add a new tag, test, featured image, I'm leaving that. I can create new post. Now as you can see, there is no featured image because I didn't input that. This is our title, our author, the tags, sorry, tags are here. There's our category, the content. Okay, now let me show you what changes are here. So as you can see, I have two published blog posts, one draft. That's why the count here is 3. Now let me, unpublish this one. Then we have two draft posts. I can edit, publish, or delete this. So let me delete. Okay. So that's how every category will hold my blogs. So I hope you understood how this plugin will be used. Let me summarize by going over some key features of the plugin. So it allows front-end post publishing. So user can publish blog posts directly from their profile without needing the access to the WordPress dashboard. And it's very member-centric blogging. So every user gets a personal blogging space that's integrated with their BuddyPress profile. The posts are displayed on individual profile tabs, keeping everything user-specific and organized. There's also role-based access control, as I shown you. That is that admin can control which member type or user role are allowed to post blogs. This ensures that only trusted or specific role members can contribute content. Also, there's post management. So like only users can edit and delete and manage their own blog post from their profile tab. And draft and publish option also help users to control when their content goes live. It's also very theme compatible. So let's say if you are using a theme, it's very seamless integration, and that it's very responsive and clean layout will ensure that there's a smooth user experience across all devices. The admin setting panel admin can configure default post settings, assign categories, and manage front-end behavior. This includes moderation option for reviewing user submitted post before publishing. So I will conclude by saying this plugin is a fantastic way to encourage user participation and build a more content-rich community. By enabling your members to publish their own blog posts directly from their profile, you're giving them a platform to express themselves and share insights and contribute value to their site. So for a fully integrated experience, pair this theme with pair with a theme like Reen or other web design plugins to take your community to the next level. Thank you.